Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can remove or delete a user account from your Windows 10 PC. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to Start menu and select the fourth option from bottom left of the screen, which is the Settings option. And there, you have to click on Accounts. After that, choose the second last option from left side of your screen. And there, you can see the accounts of this PC. This is the account of my brother, which he doesn't use anymore. So to delete or remove this, there is an option named Remove. You just have to click on it and click Delete Account and Data. And it's done. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.